Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you fix Play Store waiting for download problem solved. So whenever you are going to download any app, it is showing that waiting for download and it is not downloading. So to solve this problem, just long press on your Play Store app. Now click in your info icon. Now here you can see the bottom right clear data, click on it and at first clear cache. Now clear cache isn't working, then clear all data. Just clear all data, click on it and click on OK. And after that the problem isn't solved yet, then just click on the bottom force stop and click on OK. And after that your problem will be solved. If it is still not solved after a force stop, just go to settings and check for your software update. So click on about phone and click on your mobile version. Here you can see there is an update, just update it. So guys, that's how you can fix the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.